Yeah, this one, that's right. Thanks, Mike. This one is a one smart Peppy out of a highbrow cat mare.
This is Reba. Don't tell me the last one. Our little sister's name is Martina.
We got the country western theme going on.
Okay, got it.
Uh-huh.
Both redheads. Yeah. Oh, there you go. One's Reba.
And then we have martini and vodka too. Oh, no.
That's after 6.
Yeah.
So this one is Reba?
Reba. Yeah, and her sire is One Smart Peppy, which is the stallion that Pat has of ours right now, that he's riding and showing and cutting.
That you may never see again?
That's right, that I may never see again.
Unless you go to a tour stop?
Yeah.
Got Daddy's mane.
Yeah.